Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have the first variation box for the BoxyCharm September box. Now this is the standard BoxyCharm $21 box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, 1D Fly LPN. I know I butchered that, honey. I'm so sorry. Anyway, she says, love your spoilers. Thank you, Mandy. Well, thank you so much for taking the time and comment and watch my videos. And I'm so happy to know that you got your bell set. And I love you so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end, guys, when I read the comment that I picked from that video. Now let's jump into this box right here. Let's get a good look at it. And in this variation, we see the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. We also see the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Then we also see the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Liner. Black Liquid Liner. Sorry about that. And then we see the Moda Brush 5-piece eye kit. And then last but certainly not least, we see the $1 Billion Brows Microblade Effect, or the Microblade Effect. Those things are pretty neat. I ain't never used them. Comment below if you've used them things. Do they really work? And of course, guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now to read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Zanaya. Is it Zanaya or Zania? I probably butchered that one too. Rodriguez. Zanaya says, hey girl, I watch all your videos. However, I rarely comment. Love your content and personality. Well, Zanaya, thank you so much. And I'm so glad you commented, because I just had to pick your comment. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so much. And remember, if you yourself want to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this video. And guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then what I want you to do is rate the video. But I'm only going to give you one choice, because one of them buttons is broken. You got to hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button is broken. It's been gone for a while. Really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And if you would, there's one more thing before you guys head out. You got to make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments saying, Mandy, I didn't see these spoilers last week. Because you know what? If you had your bell on, you would have seen them. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.